Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about sprouts. Most of you might already know about sprouts. It's something you can buy in your grocery store, but for those who don't, sprouts are seeds that are in their first few days of the germination period. They're extremely nutritious. These are the sprouts we use. This is a pound bag and we've had it for ages. We've still only used about 3/4 of it. And this bag was about $20 to $25 off of Amazon, and it lasts for quite a while. So I would definitely recommend this. Broccoli sprouts are among the most nutritious you can get, but there are all kinds of sprouts you can do. You can make alfalfa sprouts, you can make lettuce sprouts, you can make, really anything that has a seed you can sprout. So I just choose broccoli because it's among the most nutritious. Broccoli sprouts have vitamin A, vitamin C, fiber, and sulforaphane, which has been shown to have anti-cancer, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties. So this is a great thing, nutritionally. And one of the nice things about sprouts is that you need no sunlight in order to produce them. So all you need is a sprouter, seeds, and basically you can produce them. So for preparedness reasons, sprouts are a great thing to know how to produce. We have two sprouters here, which I'm going to be comparing. There's multi-level, which can produce 4 levels, 4 trays of sprouts vertically. And this one, which is a more traditional mason jar sprouter, which you can see, obviously I still have sprouts in. So stay with me as I show you how to make sprouts, and we compare these two sprouters to see which one is better. Using about 1 tablespoon per tray. These are broccoli seeds. After all the trouble I took to even it out, right? It's like put that on and just wait for it to grow. Okay. Mesh screen. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons. Just a zoom in. Okay, so this is about 4 days later. As you can see, the first tray has really good sprouts. Second tray, good sprouts. Third tray, good sprouts. And the fourth tray has a weird hole in the middle with a bunch of unsprouted seeds. I have no idea why. But overall, this is a pretty good sprouting method. This is 4 days in the mason jar. I think about half of them have sprouted and a lot of them haven't. If you give another 4 days on this one, most of them will have sprouted, I think. That's what I usually get, but it does, I think, take longer using this method, and I have no idea why, but they're both good ways to make sprouts, but this method I think is a little quicker. Okay, so this is how I store them. I have a paper towel here, which I'm folding just to absorb any excess moisture that might cause the sprouts to go bad quicker. So then I'm adding in the sprouts on top. I got this container from IKEA for about $1. Might have been $2, but it was really cheap. I have all sizes of this. I don't know if you have an IKEA near you, but it's a great place to find containers. And as you can see, about a good half of them are unsprouted still. So if I had more time on these trays, probably more would have sprouted, but I still have plenty of sprouts from each tray. Sometimes I think this method isn't as good because the sprouts start to smell. Sometimes the sprouts in this method can start to smell a little funky, and I think that's because of the water that goes through the sprouts collects in here. If you don't drain it right away, the lack of airflow in the top, because it's just a solid plastic lid, leaves them kind of smelly, but I never get too strong of a smell, and the sprouts taste fine, so I'm not worried about it. I've never had any issues. I've never gotten sick, and I don't think that there's any reason to worry about that. It's a very mild smell I'm talking about. It's just noticeable. So it could just be from the water, but that's something I've noticed. And this method, I've never noticed any smell. There's just a sort of a clean, grassy scent. And there they are, stored right next to my super greens. It's almost time to make more. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like this, please like and subscribe. And leave any comments if you have any questions.